Everybody, from a day at Islands of Adventure, where we are here to look at the Jurassic Coaster, of course, and we're gonna see if track work is actually complete or if there's a little bit to go behind that final brake run. So let's go take a closer look and find out. So that newly finished hop into one of the final brake runs is now completing all major track work for this ride. However, they're loading in trains behind this storage facility, so it's likely that that final piece won't be put in until all the trains are inside of that doorway. And the theming is starting to peak up above the tree line here from port of entry. So most of this storage facility and station facade complete, and right there in the center of the screen will be the entrance to the ride on the bottom floor, where you will eventually go up into the second floor and into the station area. Closer look at that final to second brake run, the second launch, and the entrance of the ride. A lot of the shoreline theming starting to get complete. And some theming elements. Pillars seen here in the trench after the large drop in this roller coaster in front of the Discovery Center. And a lot more of the waterfront near the Mythos restaurant being worked on there, which is going to be another viewing area. More of this concrete wall going up, completing the fences of this raptor containment area. And now as we quickly walk through in front of this roller coaster, you can see that some of these concrete walls are going to be see-through, so you'll be able to see into this raptor cage, and others are going to be the solid concrete walls. In here chilling with my favorite Dino-rama. This dino here has a nice new view of some shiny track through these windows, but he's a vegetarian, so don't expect him to be eating riders. That could probably happen in the raptor pen during the first half of this ride. Speaking of the first half of the coaster, I figured I'd do a short teaser here of the project I'm working on, the pre-creation of this ride, so we can get a feel of how this is going to run. So here is that. Enjoy, and thank you guys so much for watching as always, and until next time, see ya.